When Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa told this to the employees of ABS-CBN after the TV network's franchise was not renewed by Congress, Special Envoy to China Mon Tulfo blasted the senator in his July 16 column for the Manila Times. Tulfo said the former PNP chief was probably absent when social graces were taught at the Philippine Military Academy. When asked for a reaction, Dela said,
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.